Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word incapable. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The injured player was incapable of continuing to play in the game. The word incapable means lacking the ability or qualities needed to do something. In this sentence, it describes the player's inability to continue due to an injury. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.